Hi sir, good morning sir. I'm Kenneth Aguirre, BS Cream 3A. What what are the crimes classified the provoking war and disloyalty in case of war? There are inciting to war to giving motives for reprisals, violation for neutrality, correspondence by hostile country, flight to enemy's country. Article 119. Violation of neutrality. The penalty of prison correctional should be inflicted upon anyone who, on the occasions of a war in which the government is not involved, violation any regulation issued and by competent authority for the purpose of enforcing neutrality. What are the elements of violation of neutrality? Elements of violation of neutrality that there is a war in which the Philippines is not involved. May gera na ang Pilipinas na hindi kasali. That there is a regulation issued by competent authority for the purpose of enforcing neutrality. May patakaran na ilabas na may kapangyarihan para ipatupad ang pagiging walang kinakampiang ang Pilipinas. That the offender violation such regulation nilabag na may sala at patakarang na ayon. What is a neutrality? A nation or power which takes no part in a contest of arms going to between others and refer to as neutral. Ang bansa o kapangyarihang na hindi nakisali sa labanang armas na nangyayari sa pagitan ng ibang mga bansa ay tinatawag niya neutral. What is the most important things that consider the Article 119 for us to consider that such in is violate? There was a regulation issued that competent authority for the enforce the neutrality that was involved violate. Mayroong kapatakaran ng nilabas na ang kapangyarihan para maitupad ang pagiging walang kinakampihan ang Pilipinas na ito ay nilabag. Article 120. Correspondence with hostile country. Any person who in time of war should have correspondence with an enemy country or territory occupied by enemy troops should be punished by prison correctional if that correspondence has been prohibited by the government. By prison mayor is such correspondence be heard on in chapters o conventional signs and by reception temporal if notice of information to giving thereby the which may be useful to the enemy if the offender attended the aid of enemy by giving such notice of information, he should suffer by penalty of reclusion temporal to death. What are the elements correspondence with? hostile country. Elements of correspondence with hostile country, that is, in time of war in which the Philippines is involved. Ito ay sa panahon ng giyera kung saan ang Pilipinas ay kasali. That offender makes correspondence with an enemy country to territory occupied by enemy troops. Ang, ang may sala na nakipag-ugnayan sa kalabang bansa o territory na okup- okupado ng mga tropa ng sundalo. That the respondent is either prohibited by government or guarded by chapters of conventional signs or containing notice of information which might be useful to the enemy. Ang ugnayan ay alinman dito ipinagbabawal ng gobyerno o ipinadala ng pamagitan ng sulat na may palihim na kahulugan o sa mga nakasanayang senyales o naglalaman ng babala o impormasyon na nakatungkol sa kalaban. What is the meaning of correspondence? Correspondence is a communication by means of letters or it may refer to the letters which pass between those who have friendly or business relation. Ang kaugnayan na pagpapasabi ng pamamagitan ng sulat o hindi din ito tumutukoy sa mga sulat na pinapasa ng pamamagitan ng mga tao bilang magkaibang o may pangnegosyong ugnayan. Article 121. Flight to enemy country. The penalty of arrest to mayor should be inflicted upon any person who, owing allegiance to government, attempts to flee or go to an enemy country with prohibited by competent authority. What are the elements of flight to enemy country? Elements of flight to enemy country: that there is a war in which the Philippines is involved. Mayroong gera na kung saan ang Pilipinas ay kasali nito. That our offender must be owing allegiance to the government. Ang may sala ay dapat obligasyon na dapat maging tapat sa gobyerno. That offender attempts of flee go or go to enemy country. Ang may sala na nagtakang tumakas or pumunta sa kalabang bansa. That going to the enemy countries is prohibited to competent authority. Ang pagpunta sa kalabang bansa ay pinagbabawal ng mga kapangyarihan. May an alien resident of guilty of flight to enemy country. The alien resident in the country can be held liable under this article that law does not say not being the foreigner. Hence, the allegiance contemplated in this article is either natural or temporary allegiance. Ang dayong naninirahan sa bansa na pwedeng mapanagot sa ilalim ng artikulong ito, ang bansa ay hindi nagsasabi na hindi isang dayuhan. Kaya ang pagiging matapat at na di nabanggit sa artikulo ito ay natural o pansamantalang pagiging matapat. When can we say that the crimes of flight to enemy's country is consummated? More attempt to flee or to enemy country consummates to crime prevent it is prohibited by competent authority. Ang patangkang paglayas o pagpunta sa kalabang bansa ay pa lamang ay nagsasabing na nating kumpleto ang paggawa ng krimen na ito, pero kinakailangan na ito ay pinagbabawal ng mga kapangyarihan. What does prohibited by competent authority mean? Article 121 must be implemented by the government in fleeing or going to enemy country is not prohibited by competent authority. The crime defined the Article 120 cannot be committed. Article 121 ay dapat ipinatupad ng gobyerno kung ang pagtakas o pagpupunta sa kalabang bansa ay hindi pinagbabawal ng may kapangyarihang na krimen ay ipahayag sa Article 121 na hindi magawa. Yan ang sana. Thank you.